In the ever-evolving world of freelancing, one thing remains constant: change. From the gig economy boom to the rise of remote work, each year brings new challenges and opportunities. You'll gain insights into how artificial intelligence, automation, and other game-changing developments will transform the way freelancers work and compete in the global marketplace. Get ready to be inspired and equipped with the knowledge you need to stay ahead of the curve. For instance, the demand for AI trainers and AI-powered service providers is likely to grow as businesses seek to integrate AI into their operations. By acquiring the necessary skills and knowledge, freelancers can position themselves to take advantage of these emerging opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. It's natural to worry about how these advancements will impact the livelihood of freelancers. As AI continues to advance, it's essential to address these concerns proactively and ensure that we harness AI's power responsibly and ethically. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration as you navigate the exciting terrain of the freelance world. Remember, the future is full of possibilities, and by embracing change, acquiring new skills, and staying adaptable, you can position yourself for success in this dynamic industry. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to show your support. Your engagement means the world to us. Until next time, keep innovating, keep learning, and keep freelancing. Thank you and best of luck on your freelancing journey. One major concern is the potential for AI-powered tools to displace jobs. As AI becomes more sophisticated, there is a risk that certain freelance roles may become automated, leading to job losses. For instance, AI-powered writing assistants could potentially replace freelance writers or editors if they become advanced enough to produce high-quality content autonomously. To mitigate this risk, freelancers should focus on developing skills that are complementary to AI and difficult to automate. This includes developing specialized expertise, cultivating creativity, and fostering interpersonal skills that are essential for building relationships with clients and collaborators. Another challenge is ensuring the responsible and ethical development and deployment of AI technology. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and they can perpetuate and even amplify existing biases if not developed and used responsibly. As AI becomes more integrated into freelancing platforms and marketplaces, it's important to advocate for transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI-driven decision-making processes. Freelancers should engage in discussions and initiatives that promote responsible AI development and ensure that AI technology serves to augment and enhance the freelancing experience rather than marginalizing or exploiting workers. Furthermore, it's crucial to recognize the limitations of AI and avoid over-reliance on AI-generated content or automated systems. AI can be a powerful tool, but it should not replace critical thinking, human judgment, or the unique perspectives that human freelancers bring to their work. By maintaining a healthy balance between leveraging AI technology and utilizing our own human capabilities, we can ensure that AI enhances rather than diminishes the quality and integrity of our work. In conclusion, as we embrace the opportunities presented by AI, it is imperative to remain vigilant and proactive in addressing the challenges and risks that accompany this powerful technology. By focusing on uniquely human skills, advocating for responsible AI development, and maintaining a balanced approach to AI integration, freelancers can help shape a future where AI technology serves to empower and elevate the freelancing community as a whole. Let's work together to ensure that the future of freelancing is not only technologically advanced, but also equitable, sustainable, and enriching for all. However, instead of succumbing to fear, let's shift our perspective and explore the proactive steps we can take to not just survive, but thrive in this evolving landscape. First and foremost, let's recognize that automation will inevitably impact certain freelance roles. Rather than resisting this change, let's embrace it and focus on developing skills that complement automation. For instance, as AI takes care of routine tasks, freelancers who can offer specialized, creative, or highly personalized services will be in high demand. By identifying the areas where human expertise is still irreplaceable, we can tailor our skill sets accordingly. This may involve learning new software programs, acquiring certifications, or honing our abilities in niche areas that are difficult for machines to replicate. Moreover, let's not underestimate the value of human touch in the freelancing world. While automation can handle many tasks efficiently, there will always be a need for empathy, communication, and critical thinking. By emphasizing these uniquely human qualities in our freelancing, we can differentiate ourselves from the competition and provide clients with experiences that go beyond what automation can offer. Furthermore, we can leverage automation to our advantage by using it to increase our productivity and efficiency. There are numerous tools available that can automate repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on higher value activities. By staying informed about the latest automation tools and integrating them into our workflows, we can streamline our processes and deliver better results to our clients while also freeing up time for more strategic pursuits. In conclusion, rather than fearing the impact of automation, let's choose to embrace it as an opportunity for growth and change. By adapting our skill sets, focusing on human strengths and leveraging automation tools, we can not only survive but thrive in the future of freelancing. It's time to rewrite the narrative, not with fear, but with resilience, adaptability, and a commitment to lifelong learning. Together, we can shape the future of freelancing and ensure that it remains a thriving ecosystem of diverse and fulfilling opportunities. However, it's important to acknowledge that AI and automation also pose challenges for freelancers. Certain roles may be at risk of being replaced by machines, requiring freelancers to constantly adapt and acquire new skills. Embracing lifelong learning and staying up to date with the latest technological advancements will be crucial for anyone looking to succeed in the future of freelancing. Furthermore, ethical considerations surrounding AI bias and the responsible use of automation technology must be addressed to ensure fair and equitable outcomes for all freelancers. Despite the challenges, the future of freelancing with AI and automation holds immense potential. By embracing innovation, acquiring new skills, and addressing ethical concerns, freelancers can thrive in this evolving landscape and contribute to the advancement of technology while preserving the unique value of human expertise. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, this video is your guide to navigating the exciting terrain of the future of freelancing. As AI and automation continue to permeate various industries, the skills required for freelancing will also evolve. To stay relevant and in demand, freelancers must proactively invest in upskilling and reskilling themselves. One crucial area is data analysis and interpretation. As AI systems rely on vast amounts of data to function, the ability to extract meaningful insights from datasets will become increasingly valuable. Freelancers who develop proficiency in data analysis tools and techniques will be well positioned to help businesses make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. Another essential skill is machine learning. Understanding the fundamentals of how AI algorithms work and how to train them will enable freelancers to build, customize, and refine AI-powered solutions tailored to specific business needs. This expertise will be highly sought after as companies look to leverage AI to automate processes and improve efficiency. Additionally, proficiency in AI-powered software and tools will be highly beneficial for freelancers across various domains. By familiarizing themselves with user-friendly AI interfaces, freelancers can leverage AI's capabilities to enhance their productivity, streamline workflows, and deliver better results for their clients. Furthermore, as AI and automation become more prevalent, freelancers will need to develop a strong understanding of the technology's limitations and potential biases. By critically evaluating AI-generated outputs and ensuring responsible and ethical use of automation, freelancers can provide valuable guidance to businesses navigating the complexities of these technologies. Embracing lifelong learning and continuously investing in skill development will be crucial for freelancers to thrive in the future job market. By acquiring in-demand skills, staying updated with industry trends, and embracing emerging technologies, freelancers can position themselves for success in the ever-evolving world of freelancing. Let's dive right in. But what does the future hold for freelancing? What trends will shape the next chapter in the freelance revolution? Let's start with AI-powered tools. These innovative solutions have the potential to revolutionize the way freelancers work and provide new opportunities for those who embrace them. Consider AI-powered writing assistants. These tools can help freelancers create high-quality content in less time by suggesting edits, improving grammar, and generating entire blog posts or website copy. For example, imagine using an AI tool that can analyze your competitors' websites and generate unique value propositions for your client's business, saving hours of research and writing time. Automation tools can also free up freelancers' time by taking care of repetitive tasks such as scheduling social media posts or sending email reminders. This allows freelancers to focus on more creative and strategic work that requires human touch. Additionally, AI-driven research assistants can gather data, analyze market trends, and provide insights that help freelancers make informed recommendations to their clients. By harnessing the power of AI, freelancers can streamline their workflow, improve their efficiency, and deliver better results for their clients. Join us as we delve into our prediction for the future of freelancing based on emerging technologies and market trends. As we look towards the future of freelancing, it's clear that AI and automation will play an increasingly significant role. Moreover, as AI and automation continue to advance, they will open up new opportunities for freelancers. Now let's talk about the impact of AI and automation on skill development. The future of freelancing is brimming with possibilities, but it's essential to address the elephant in the room, the fear of job displacement due to automation. While AI offers incredible opportunities, it is crucial to recognize the potential risks and challenges that come with its rapid development and integration into our lives. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the future of freelancing.